This question belongs to operating system subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014-2013. So the question states, a scheduling algorithm assigns priority proportional to the waiting time of a process. Each process starts with 0, the least priority. The scheduler reevaluates the process priorities every t time units and decides the next process to schedule. Which one of the following is true if the process has no IO operations and all arrive at time 0? The algorithm is equivalent to first come first serve, it's equivalent to round robin, shortest job first or shortest remaining time first. So what happens? See, at time t equals to 0, what happens? All the process P1 to Pn arrives. Now since each one has waiting time as 0, so each one has same priority. So we will schedule any process. Let us suppose we scheduled P1. Okay, so at time t, what happens? Now it is given at time t, it reevaluates to find the priority. So what happens at this point? P1 has waited for 0 time. So P1 will have priority still lesser. But P2 to Pn, they will have more priority, same priority because they have waited for this t time. So we will take any one of them, let us suppose P2 and schedule it again for t time. So what will happen? Now at this point of time, what will happen is that P1 will wait for t, P2 has waited for only t because P2 has waited only this time, but P3 to Pn has waited for 2t time. So now one among P3 to Pn will get scheduled, so on. Now at the end what will happen? Pn will get scheduled and everyone has waited for nt times. Now everyone has waited for nt times, so any one among them will get scheduled, which is first P1 will get scheduled, then P2, then P3 and so on. So it is basically behaving like round robin algorithm, as everyone is getting time to schedule in a circular manner and with a time quantum of t. So answer to this question is option B, this algorithm is equivalent to round robin algorithm.